Good morning everyone, this is As Muhammad Khan and I welcome you in today's segment. As we are discussing about the keyword student, so there are some keywords today we will discuss. First keyword of the chapter 8 is organ student, organ. Now what is organ student? Organ is the group of tissue, means the group of tissue that perform a particular function is known as organ. Like in our body there are the different organs are found student, like brain, stomach, kidney. What are they? They are organ and they are made up of particular type of tissue student. And what is the basic unit of the organ? It is cell student. What is it? It is cell. Now we come on the next keyword is prokaryotes. Pro means false student, false. Karyote means nucleus. Means the living organisms that does not have true nucleus or definite nucleus are known as prokaryotes. And prokaryotes examples are student bacteria. All the bacteria are the example of prokaryotes. Pro means false, karyote means nucleus, means the living organism that have false nucleus or undefinite nucleus and they have the nucleoid, means they don't have the nucleus but they have nucleoid, and that nucleoid is found in them in the scattered form, and these living organisms are known as prokaryotes. And what are the example of prokaryotes student? Bacteria. Bacteria are the example of prokaryotes. Now we come on the next keyword is organelles student. Now what are the organelles? Organelles are the part of the cell and they are dispersed inside the cytoplasm. And what are they student? They are membrane bounded structure and perform a particular function, like endoplasmic reticulum. It is an organelle student and it is found inside the cell, and what it does, it forms lipid, and with this it also forms protein with the help of ribosome, and it also helps, means endoplasmic reticulum also help in transportation of the different substances. That's why endoplasmic reticulum, that is one organelle, it is known as roadways or the pathway of the cell. Like this there is Golgi body student, and that Golgi body is known as packaging industry of the cell. Like this there is one organelle, it is mitochondria. Mitochondria is a double membrane bounded structure student, and what is its function? It helps in synthesizing the energy, means energy is generated with the help of mitochondria. So mitochondria also come in the category of organelle student. Now what are the organelles? Membrane bounded structures that are found inside the cytoplasm student. Now we come on the next, it is vacuole. Now what are the vacuole student? Vacuole are the small sac like structure, small bag like structure that are found inside the cytoplasm. Now what they do? They store the food student, and in the unicellular organisms they also help in the digestion and excretion, means food is digested and excreted with the help of vacuole. And in the plant cell student there is a large size vacuole is found, but in the animal cell there is a small size vacuole is found. And why do the plant cell have the large size vacuole student? Because they can synthesize their food only in the day. And what is that process? It is photosynthesis. And in the night they can't synthesize their food. So for storing the more and more food, what they have large size vacuole, means the plant cell have the large size vacuole. Now we come on the next, it is plasma membrane. Now what is plasma membrane student? It is the outer covering of animal cell and the inner covering of the plant cell. and it allows entry or exit of the different substances. So what definition you will write for the plasma membrane? The outer covering of the animal cell and the inner covering of the plant cell is known as plasma membrane, and it helps in osmosis. With the help of that, the substances are entered or exit with the help of plasma membrane. Now we come on the next. It is tissue, student. Now tissue is the important part that is made by the cell. So what definition you will write in the tissue, student? In the tissue you will write the group of same type of cell that perform a particular function. That group of cell is known as tissue. Means the group of cell that perform a particular function is known as tissue, student. And the branch of science in which we study about the tissue is known as histology. Like the branch of science that deals with the study of the cell is known as cytology. Like this, the branch of science that deals with the study of tissue is known as histology, student. Now we come on the next. Next keyword is plastid. Now what is plastid, student? Plastid. Plastid are the colorful pigment, colorful or colorless pigment that are found only in the plant cell. There are the three types of plastid, student: chromoplast, chloroplast and leucoplast. Chromoplast provides the different color to the flower or fruits or vegetables. Like this, chloroplast provides the green color to the leaves or the stem. With the help of the chloroplast, plants do the photosynthesis. Like this, there is leucoplast. It is a colorless plastid and it helps in the storage of the different substances. And what is it? It is leucoplast. So there are the three types of plastid found inside the plant cell. First is chromoplast, second is chloroplast and third is leucoplast, student. Now we come on the next. Next keyword is pseudopodia. Now what is the meaning of the pseudopodia? Pseudo means false, podia means feet. Means the false feet that are found around the unicellular organism are known as pseudopodia. And with the help of the pseudopodia, unicellular organisms do the motion. Means they move from one place to another with the help of pseudopodia. And with the help of them, they also know about the food. Or with this, they also know about their predators, means their hunters. So, pseudopodia means false feet that are found around the unicellular organism like amoeba, student. So, these are the keywords, student. Now you will write and learn these keywords. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.